In the early stages of elementary school, children come into a teacher's class with previously developed skills. It is a teacher's job to expand on those skills. As a kindergartner, a child should have the ability to copy and trace letters and numbers with a good pinch grip and have a well-established gait so that running, throwing, and quick movements don't interrupt their balance. The majority of the first month or two of each school year, teachers plan activities to test a child's level of knowledge. The teacher needs to see if the child is where he or she should be, what skill levels he or she has, and what needs to be worked on. After determining where the child is cognitively, the teacher develops lesson plans and games to expand that knowledge to the next level of development. Playing a game such as count and toss is a great way to broaden a child's level of mathematical skills. This practice strongly exhibits Vygotsky's theory of proximal zone development. Based on this theory, he believed that we learned by encountering new things and that learning improves our current stage of development. A great example of this is when the kindergartner enters a class and the teacher determines where they are cognitively. The student already has a developed level of education from a previous daycare or preschool, and playing the count and toss game shows a child how to visually identify a number, counting out objects that equal the value of a given number. Even in some instances where kindergarten is a child's first exposure to a structured setting and they have no previous academic development, Vygotsky's theory of proximal zone development still applies. The majority of children watch television and play with others their age. Children are like sponges that soak everything up. So more than likely, the child will have some knowledge upon entering school. It will just need to be developed further and need some extra work before the child may have the capability to play the count and toss game. Children often learn from their environment. Seeing other students playing the game will be very beneficial for them in their development. Also, using the theory of proximal zone development, when a child is between the ages of 4 and 5, they are able to, with assistance, catch and throw a ball. But with teaching and learning, those gross motor skills can be developed to being able to independently throw a ball maturely with direction. A great addition to the game and the advancement of the child's development would be to have the student write the number that he or she chose from the bag along with the identification. Writing the number along with saying it and counting out the number will also assist the child's memory strategies and problem-solving skills.